In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a special YouTube subscriber link so that if anyone clicks on it, they're going to automatically subscribe to your YouTube channel. This is a brilliant way of growing your YouTube channel fast. Watch to the end of this short video to find out how easy this actually is. Now, if you get anything from this video, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like and maybe think about subscribing to the channel where I simplify tech and help you grow your online business. Now, before we jump into the computer, it's worth considering that people prefer the path of least resistance. So in other words, instead of giving them 5 things to click on, just give them 1 thing to click on and it can really help grow your YouTube channel fast. So I use these subscriber links on my blog and Facebook, but you can use them anywhere on social media. TikTok, Instagram, you name it. If you can put a link there, then you can use this and automatically have people subscribe to your YouTube channel each time they click. So let's jump into the computer. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a YouTube subscriber link. Now, this same simple technique works if you're using a URL with your channel name or even just the random letters and numbers combination that YouTube starts you with. All we need to do is append a tiny bit of text to the end of our URL. So you can see here, our URL is this full string, and the bit that we want to add on is this bit at the end that I've highlighted. Once that's added on, if someone clicks on that link, it's going to make them a subscriber to your channel. Yes, it really is that simple. But that's not all. Hold on for a few seconds more and I'm going to show you a bonus step that you may also find really useful. Now, one thing I should point out is that you cannot subscribe to yourself. So if you want to test the link is working, then go and borrow a phone from a friend, family member, or even old Brian who lives at number 73. I'm sure he won't mind. Now that's it, but I did mention a bonus step, and this is for those of you that don't use a custom channel name and are relying on that big old ugly URL that you couldn't recite to someone unless you were the memory champion of the world. So what I would do is use a link shortener, and there are lots of ways to do this. If you're a blogger and you use WordPress, then maybe install this free plugin, Pretty Links, which allows you to convert a big ugly URL to something consistent with your blog, such as john100.com/YouTube. Or if you're not a blogger and you want to use your link on other social media platforms, then consider using a site like Bitly. There are other versions of Bitly, but that's the one I prefer. It's free and really simple to use. You just copy the link with your new special code, go to Bitly, create a free account and then paste it in. Now, you are going to need to think of something unique as there are thousands of other Bitly users, so the word YouTube won't be available. However, John Davis YouTube is, so maybe use your channel name too, or something very specific that anyone else is unlikely to have used. This way the link looks a lot clearer, more user friendly, and if someone said, "What's your YouTube channel?" you could actually recite it. Now, I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please drop me a like. I'm going to leave some links in the description and also on the screen to some more videos that could really help you grow your YouTube channel and your online business fast.